Welcome back to my channel. My name is Wendy. For all who may not know me, I am a full-time postal worker and a part-time reseller. What does that mean? That means that I buy stuff and I resell it. So I usually thrift. I've done retail arbitrage. I've done mystery boxes, which is what we're going to do today. And then I turn around and I sell it online when I list it. But this one is a Thredup Rescue Box. I will link the URL down below. So if you're interested in one at the end, you can check it out. They don't ever list them at certain times. It's just whenever they have a whole bunch, and it's kind of hard to get them sometimes. So I can sometimes get the lower end ones. I've only got the designer box once, and I will link it above in case you're interested. I did get 3 Gucci items and some other stuff. But this one is going to be a t-shirt, a DIY t-shirt box. And the last one wasn't bad. There was actually some really cute t-shirts. It is, I believe, hold on, let me see. I'll just put the price up there if I can't find the, sometimes they don't put the invoice in, but when they come, the rescue box comes, it has the cute little tissue paper. So it's going to be a little loud just for a second. I haven't looked, I just opened it, so I don't know what t-shirts are in here. This is Delta Pro Light, pre-shrunk, 100% pre-shrunk cotton. This says, with a little bird, it's like a pale yellow, and it says happy, happy, happy. Kind of reminds me of something that would be on, what is that show? Oh my God, I'm drawing a blank. You know, with the Robertsons. I can't remember. Anyways, if I remember, I'll let you know. So I remember what the show is called. Duck Dynasty. I don't know why. I don't know why I couldn't think of it. Brain fog. Oh, this one's cute. It is an easy, it says easy, size medium. It is like a purple and black, don't know if this is like a reverse tie-dyed one with bleach or if that's actually tie-dyed, but it says Virginia Beach, established in 1906. That's really cute. It feels like a really comfortable cotton. That's the back. Oh, that's cute. I'd be surprised if my daughter tried to steal that one. This is, it says Dixie Girls. It's got the Confederate flag. It's an anvil size large t-shirt on the back. It's got some girls on the back. I don't know. Okay, let's see. This one's just a plain yellow. Wonder if we can reverse tie-dye this one with bleach. It's a Gildan size medium. You know, that might actually fit my son. I might just keep it for him. Let's see, what's that? Tommy Franklin 2006 Pro Nitrous Champion, the Jungle Rat. Welcome to the jungle. So I guess this is a racing t-shirt. It is a size medium. I don't know. Some of these I just don't know. I might redonate. I might actually list them. That one's kind of cute. It says Puma Hoops. It is a Puma t-shirt. It is a size small. It's kind of comfortable. It feels good. What's that? Some tape. Great things never came from comfort zones. Oh, that's kind of cute. On the back, it's got that P. This is a Puma t-shirt too. This one actually feels new. It is like a cantaloupe color. It is a size medium. It's actually a sample piece. I wonder if they ever if they ever release this one. To me, I think that sample pieces, if it's never been released, might actually be good because that means it's unique. So, but I don't know. Most people don't really look at sample pieces as being that great. We got a lot of Puma t-shirts. This is also another sample. It is a size medium as well. Like I said, these don't feel like they were ever worn. It says Puma. Oops, again. I'm gonna have to look these up. This is a pale blue. Could lot these up, possibly. Probably list them separately. Oh, this one's cute. This one is new with tags. It is H&M, but it just got this cute little bird right here. It's just a plain white t-shirt. Feels comfortable. My daughter might actually keep that one. It's her style. Let's see. This is Old Navy, size large, just a little mauve-ish pink t-shirt. See what else I got. They kind of fold them up together. Sorry that the color is adjusting. For some reason, it's auto-adjusting a lot today. I may have messed with the contrast. I don't know. It says, babes support babes. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm going to wear this in my next video for sure. I love, if you haven't noticed, I love graphic tees. I've been picking them up a lot lately. When they come in my boxes, I will for sure wear some of them in my videos, even if I decide not to keep them. But this one says, girls will save the future. For sure. But yeah, this is mine. I'm keeping that one, or at least I'm wearing it for a little bit. Might be a little tight, but that's okay. This is an Express t-shirt. It is a size large. It is purple with that velour kind of velvety texture graphics. Nothing on the back. I like that one. That one's cute. It says Honor and Valor. Okay, this one I believe is just a plain white t-shirt, Port & Company, but it is a long sleeve. This one would be a good one to tie-dye, I think. It's that thick cotton. I think that will absorb it better. This is an Adidas t-shirt. It is an extra large. This is a long sleeve as well. That's on the front. Nothing on the back. This feels pretty good. What is this? It says Barclays. I don't know what that is. It is a Port & Company t-shirt. It says volunteer, make an impact. I don't know, maybe that's hospital. Maybe we could tie-dye that one as well. There's something in there. What is that? Oh, it's just like a string. Thought maybe it was a stain. But we're good so far. This is a Nike t-shirt. This is for sure my daughter's style with the rainbow graphics. It's a size medium. One reason why I like to do these is because, you know, I hate to pay full price for my kids' clothes as well. So if I find something that they like, then I'm more than happy for them to actually wear it and me not have to buy them school clothes all the time. So, oh, I like that. This is Colorblind. And this is, what's the brand? It is a Puma t-shirt. Oh, that's the back. And then there's a Puma on the front. That's really, really cute. And it's super comfy. What size did I say it was? A size small. It's too small for me. Man, we got all the Puma t-shirts. Here's another one. This is size small. And it has, I don't know who that is. What is that? That wouldn't have happened in the Pumas. I don't know. Do you guys know who that is? I don't know who that is. Maybe it's just some person that's on their t-shirts. More than likely it's somebody. This says, oh, he must be a basketball player maybe? I don't know. It says Puma basketball. I don't know, but it's super comfy. This is Penn State. This one is kind of dingy. Ew, that's a little gross. You see all those stains? Wonder if we could tie-dye this one yellow. I don't know what Penn State's colors are. There are a lot of down feathers in here. Oh, anyways, that's a project piece for sure. And this one is from a brand that says Virus Street Tech. I don't know. The front says Virus. It's got a lot of snags. Action Performance, Sports Performance. Action Sports Performance. I get that out. And it goes down the side. It says Virus on the back. That goes down the side. So, it says it's Cool Jade, UV Shield, Quick Dry, Anti-Odor, Two-Way Stretch, Eco-Friendly. Interesting. I've never heard that brand. Got a couple more t-shirts. Sorry, it's loud. Let's see. This is a Cabela's outdoor. I think it's probably a small. Feels small. There is a little, I guess that's a moose. I don't know what that is. I don't know. It doesn't look like a deer. Maybe it's just a really big buck. I don't know. Anyways, it's probably a buck. I don't know. I'm not a hunter. This is another just plain white Gildan t-shirt. Size medium. Tie-dye. This is a DIY box, so ooh, this one's cute. It's new with tags. Oh. Simply Southern. It is like a aqua tealish, not quite teal color. It says Simply Southern Dawn Patrol. That is so cute. Very cute. This is a medium. And, ooh, what's that? It's extra large. Oh my gosh, guys. Okay. It feels like it's never been worn. It is Disney The Lion King and ASOS collaboration. It is, what size did I say it was? US 20, made in Turkey. This is really big. Definitely plus size. And on the back it says Disney The Lion King in like a rainbow print. That is so stinking cute. Like I said, it's never even been worn. It feels like it's still got that little tag barb up there. And then there's one more. So this is just a, what does it say? Peace Frogs brand. Size medium. Oh, body, soul, and spirit. This is so cute. That is a really cute design. It's the really soft, stretchy cotton, but it's got a little hole. I wonder if my daughter would want this. I bet she would. She would totally wear this. She has some rainbow Crocs that would look really cute with this. Just saying earlier that she's a hippie at heart. Well, a 90s hippie, because she's like super into like the 90s Y2K kind of clothing, as well as just hippie stuff like Thredup Box. Let me count them and see how many we got. Ooh. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 25 t-shirts. So it looks like I paid $28 with $5.99 shipping. So that came out to be $33.99 plus tax. Well, I think they started doing the tax on the rescue boxes that next week. I've had this one for at least a week. So just expect taxes from here on out. Like I said, I will post a link down below in the description so you can grab one if you would like, if it ever comes available. But yeah, 25 t-shirts. There's some pretty good ones in here. There's no vintage ones that I can see, but the Lion King one, the Simply Southern one, several of the Puma sample t-shirts, a couple I'll keep, or at least one I'll keep. And then there's a couple that I'll probably give to my daughter, maybe one I'll give to my son, and a lot of project pieces with the tie-dye stuff. But yeah, I'll take it. These are fun. I'm totally digging the graphic tees lately. So this gives me an opportunity to find something new. So if you are into mystery boxes, be sure and like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for if I ever go live. Then you'll be notified. And if you have done these mystery boxes on your channel and I'm not already subscribed and watching them, let me know and I'll come over there and show you some love. I love collaborating with other resellers as well. So if you get a mystery box or you have an idea for something, like we could do box swaps, just hit me up. My Instagram is also linked below. Just DM me and we will get together. So y'all have a great day. Thanks for watching.